Today, we're going to talk about 10 important warning signs that may indicate your liver isn't functioning properly. The good news is that if you take care of your liver, it has a remarkable ability to heal and regenerate itself. According to the Liver Foundation, liver diseases affect approximately 25% of people. While alcohol is a well-known cause, it's far from the only one. Regularly eating packaged and processed foods, consuming too much sugar, using excessive vegetable oils, taking too many pain medications, and viral infections such as hepatitis can all damage the liver over time. If you want to find out whether your liver may already be affected, and more importantly, how to support and repair it, listen carefully, because toward the end, I'll also share natural ways to help restore liver health and prevent further damage. Welcome, friends, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. The first sign is difficulty seeing clearly at night. Poor night vision can be an early indicator of liver dysfunction. You may notice that it's harder to see in dim light or darkness. One of the liver's key roles is removing toxins and producing essential proteins. Among these is a protein called retinol-binding protein, which transports vitamin A to the retina of the eye. Vitamin A is crucial for proper vision, especially in low light. When the liver is not functioning well, production of this protein can decrease, leading to reduced vitamin A delivery and difficulty seeing at night. If you're experiencing this, it's wise to consult your doctor and get evaluated promptly. The second sign is swollen feet and legs. Liver problems can lead to peripheral edema, which means fluid buildup, particularly in the lower parts of the body, like the legs and feet. When the liver is damaged, it may not produce enough albumin, a protein that helps keep fluid balanced within the bloodstream. As a result, fluid can leak into surrounding tissues, causing swelling. This swelling is often more noticeable in the lower body and sometimes more pronounced in the right foot. The third sign is xanthelasma, yellowish or pale bumps around the eyelids. These bumps are caused by cholesterol deposits under the skin. When the liver is healthy, it helps break down and regulate cholesterol. But if liver function declines, cholesterol can accumulate in different parts of the body, including around the eyes. If you notice such changes, it's a good idea to have your liver function tested. The fourth sign is pressure or discomfort on the right side under the ribs. If you feel heaviness, pressure, or pain on the right side, especially after eating, it may point to liver or bile flow issues. When the liver isn't functioning properly, bile can become thicker and harder to pass. This may partially block the bile ducts connected to the gallbladder, creating pressure in that area. In some cases, this pressure can even affect the phrenic nerve, leading to referred pain in the right shoulder or arm. It's best not to ignore persistent discomfort in this region. Another warning sign is easy bruising or small red and purple spots on the skin. These may appear more commonly on the arms or lower legs. When liver function declines, the production of clotting factors can be affected, making it easier to bruise or bleed. Poor blood flow regulation associated with liver issues can also contribute to these skin changes. The sixth sign is cracked heels. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, plays an important role in maintaining skin moisture and strength. When the liver is under stress, toxins may not be eliminated efficiently, and the body may use more nutrients, including niacin, in repair processes. This can lead to deficiencies that show up as dry, cracked skin, particularly on the heels. The seventh sign is dark urine. If your urine appears very dark, yellow, or brown, it could indicate elevated bilirubin levels. The liver filters waste products from the blood, including bilirubin, a yellow pigment formed from the breakdown of red blood cells. When the liver cannot properly process bilirubin, it accumulates in the body and may darken the urine. The eighth and one of the most significant signs is jaundice. Jaundice occurs when bilirubin builds up in the bloodstream. Normally, the liver processes and eliminates bilirubin efficiently. However, when fat accumulates in the liver or when the liver is inflamed or damaged, it may not process bilirubin properly. This leads to yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes. The yellow discoloration can also become visible on the face. Number 9. Elevated estrogen levels associated with liver dysfunction can increase pressure in veins, making them more visible. These issues are often seen in conditions like cirrhosis and hepatitis. The 10th sign is itchy skin. Persistent itching can be linked to liver problems. When bile acids accumulate beneath the skin due to impaired bile flow, they can trigger irritation. Additionally, histamine levels may increase in the blood, worsening the itch. Over time, this can lead to dry, flaky skin, which further intensifies the discomfort. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to consult your healthcare provider. Tests such as liver function, blood tests, or an ultrasound can help determine whether your liver is functioning properly. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent serious complications. Now let's talk about how to reverse liver damage. Liver disease generally progresses in 4 stages. The first stage involves fat accumulation in the liver. The second stage is inflammation. If inflammation continues, it can lead to scar tissue formation known as fibrosis. If fibrosis is not addressed, permanent scarring develops, called cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is severe and can eventually lead to liver failure. Fortunately, the liver has a strong capacity to regenerate, especially in the earlier stages if you make the right dietary and lifestyle changes. One helpful step is to drink organic coffee daily without sugar. Adding half a teaspoon of turmeric may provide additional benefits. Coffee contains antioxidants and polyphenols that may help reduce inflammation and slow scar tissue formation. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties. Staying well hydrated is equally important. Aim for at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day. Proper hydration helps maintain healthy blood flow and supports bile production, which assists in breaking down fats. You can also include liver-supportive herbs and foods in your diet. Ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, green tea, and even cloves may support liver health due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. At the same time, avoid foods that promote inflammation and liver stress. Highly processed seed oils can contribute to inflammation. Low-quality, heavily processed oils, including poor-quality olive oil, can also be harmful. Instead, choose healthier fats such as butter in moderation, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil. Reduce all forms of added sugar and refined carbohydrates. Replace them with sulfur-rich vegetables like leafy greens, carrots, radishes, garlic, and all types of cabbage. These vegetables support natural detoxification pathways in the liver. Include high-quality protein sources such as pasture-raised eggs, fatty fish, walnuts, and almonds. These foods help boost levels of antioxidants like glutathione, which plays a key role in liver detoxification and reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Exercise for at least 20 minutes daily. Even moderate activity can significantly improve liver health. Aim to reduce your body weight by about 7% if you are overweight, as this level of weight loss has been shown to meaningfully reduce liver fat. By making these dietary and lifestyle changes, you can strengthen your liver and, in many cases, reverse early damage. With consistency and proper care, you can protect yourself from serious liver complications. Thank you for listening all the way through. I hope you learned something valuable today. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with others so more people can become aware of these important signs and prevention strategies. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you next time.